Hello and a very warm welcome. Welcome to News Flash. This is your host Mansi Yadav with today's biggest news stories across India and world. Let's begin the bulletin. The top news is from Gaza, where August 10, 2025, an Israeli strike on a media tent near Al-Shifa hospital in Gaza City killed 5 Al Jazeera journalists, including 28-year-old Anas Al-Sharif, a well-known frontline correspondent. The Israeli military claimed Al-Sharif was a Hamas cell leader involved in rocket attack, but offered to credible evidence. Rights group, the UN and press freedom organizations rejected the allegations as unfounded. Al Jazeera denounced the strike as a deliberate effort to silence critical voices, and advocates warned it underscores a dangerous pattern of targeting journalists in Gaza. Gaza authorities say over 230 journalists have died since the war began in October 2023. The next news is from Washington, where President Trump has ordered the immediate removal of homeless encampment from central Washington, D.C., promising temporary housing far from the capital and pledged that criminals will be jailed swiftly. His administration is also preparing to deploy hundreds of National Guard troops. Thought details on their roles and the legal authority for eviction remain unclear. Let's talk about Bangladesh, where Bangladesh is battling a severe dengue surge in 2025, with 101 lives lost and over 24,000 infected so far. That's in August have already reached 19, doubling June's toll. While July saw 41 fatalities, entomologists warn August cases would triple those in July, with September possibly marking the peak of the outbreak. Climate change, humid weather and intermittent rainfall are fueling the mosquito boom, spreading the disease beyond Dhaka into rural areas and overwhelming health facilities. Authorities urge strict measures, use of repellents and nets, removal of stagnant water, coordinated spraying and community clean-ups. Early medical care remains critical for symptoms like severe abdominal pain or bleeding. The spectre of 2023 looms large, with 1,705 deaths and 321,000 infections. It remains Bangladesh's deadliest dengue season to date. Now let's take a look at Indonesia, where archaeologists from Indonesia and Australia have unearthed 7 small flaked stone tools at Kallio in southern Sulawesi dated between 1.4 and 1.48 million years ago. These artifacts, crafted using basic percussion flaking of chert, represent the oldest known evidence of hominins in Wallachia. Far earlier than any previous discoveries, was about 1,94,000 years. The find shatters assumptions about early human migration, suggesting that archaic humans, possibly Homo erectus or relatives of the hobbit species Homo floresiensis or Homo luzonensis, made major deep-sea crossing into Sulawesi long before Homo sapiens appeared. Despite the tool's precision, no hominin fossils have yet been found at the site, leaving the identity of the tool makers a mystery, one that future excavations may reveal. Let me know if you had like to explore the broader implications or details from public or scientific audiences. Now we are talking about Jaipur, where Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari has announced the launch of 3,000 FASTag-based annual pass scheme for private four-wheelers effective August 15, 2025. Under the plan, owners of non-commercial vehicles such as cars, jeeps and vans can travel toll-free on national highways for 1 year or up to 200 trips. Whichever comes first, the scheme is expected to save motorists up to 70% in toll expenses, bringing the average cost per trip down to around 15 rupees. It will also help reduce congestion, waiting times and cash transactions at toll plazas. The annual pass can be recharged or activated via the NHAI website or the Rajmarg Yatra mobile app. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more updates.